Hey there everybody, we have an unboxing today. I already cut the box open, but let's see what's inside. It says Khyber Bowie with a handcrafted knife and a leather sheath. I believe this is made in Pakistan. And I ordered it from BudK. Here's some specs on it. It says 11 3/4 inch AUS-6 Stainless Steel blade. Extended lanyard hole pommel. Includes a leather sheath. It's Full-Tang construction. It's 18 3/4 inch overall. So you can see this box is pretty big. It's a sizable knife. It has some Egyptian hieroglyphs on it, which I didn't know that a Khyber knife had anything to do with Egypt. I thought it was more of like I don't know, like Middle Eastern or something like that, but not necessarily Egypt, but whatever. Let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. Okay, there it is. First thing you see is the sheath. And get it out of the bag. Now, you can see it's kind of a generic sheath. It's got a thick welt in it. Single stitching, single row of stitching, and it's got this little snap to hold the knife in place. It's got about it's about 4 inches long, but the actual opening's about 2 inches, so about a 2-inch belt loop on it. And I don't even know if this is real leather. It feels more like vinyl or pleather. But it'll do the job, I'm sure. Will it do the job great? That I can't say, but for now it'll work. Okay, next you can see there is a large, sharp knife in there. Get this out of the way. And it's in plastic and it has a protector on the tip there. Right, and take that off, if it'll come off. Come on, there you go. There it is. Definitely a different looking style knife. Okay, right there really tiny, it does say Pakistan. And it is Full-Tang. You can see that it's solid. It goes clear up through the handle. And that's that extended lanyard pommel on it. The way they just cut this edge right here doesn't look so great. That doesn't really look like wood to me. That looks like it could be plastic, but this could also be buffalo bone. Because I know they use that in Pakistan a lot. But other than that, it's kind of a really neat looking, I guess you would say it's like Bowie style blade. But look at the size of this thing. It's like a jumbo-sized fillet knife. It looks like it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Feels like it's fairly sharp on the spine. Maybe not quite 90, but it's 90 degrees, but it's close. See here. See that? All right, let's get some measurements on this. 18 3/4, just about 19 inches overall. And let's see, the blade is about, because here's where the blade actually starts. So if you took it to the tip, you're looking at about 11.5 inches, somewhere right in there for the blade. 11 1/4. And the handle is about 5 inches, what you actually can grip on. So there it is. It's, for how skinny and long it is, there is a touch of weight to it. It's not super heavy, but you can tell it's solid and it's Full-Tang. Well, being that it's AUS-6 Stainless Steel, it should be pretty decent. I don't know, other than combat, I don't know what you would use this for, because it's not really a bushcrafter's knife. I guess you could use it for hunting. Definitely could be used for hunting. I don't know exactly where the balance point is on it. It felt like it was in front of the handle a ways. I think it's about right there. Yep, about right there. Which isn't too shabby. It's literally right where the blade starts. Okay, here it is compared to this Krauser knife I just recently ordered. It is a beast. You can see they're about the same, except this weighs about 10 times more. This is it beside the Khyber BK62 Kephart. Only showing this just for size comparison. I know they're two completely different knives. This is practically a short sword. And this is it beside the Khyber United States Marine Corps Combat Fighting Knife. So here it is beside the Schrade SCHF 38. And here it is inside of its sheath. It's kind of a joke of a sheath, but it is what it is, and it definitely holds the knife. Like, it's not coming out of there. There's no rattle, obviously, because it's leather. But how long this fake thing's going to last or hold up, I have no idea. Well, let's do a paper cut test and see if it arrived sharp at all. Here it is, straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to the blade. Got a sheet of writing paper here. Let's see. Yeah, that's not so bad. Well, it's definitely paper cutting sharp. Yeah, from the back here clear up to the tip, it's actually pretty decent. Well, there you have it. This was just a quick unboxing. I got this on BudK. It's back in stock. I've waited a while. And I paid $16.98 for this. Can you believe it? I got free shipping. So, not a bad deal at all. This definitely seems quite solid. This was definitely a zombie apocalypse type, tactical type weapon, I guess. Not too shabby for the price, and as of the time that I'm shooting this video, they are back in stock at BudK, so if you're interested, jump on it.